guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I got this wet hair look. A lot of people have actually messaged me on Instagram asking me how I got this look. I went out a few days ago with Seppi and I had my hair like this, and to be honest, it's like the most easiest, quickest thing ever. As soon as I come out the shower, and especially with the weather being warm and I don't want to go and blow dry my hair or anything, I just grab some mousse and I do this, and it's really so quick and fast. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please carry on watching. So after you've washed your hair and your hair is wet, damp, towel dry it, get your mousse. I'm using the Pantene Defined Curls number 5 over here. Take your mousse and then I use loads. Take loads. So 2 puffs I've taken here. Now put your head down. And then you grab the bottom of your hair and you start going like this. Try to concentrate on the bottom the most, because that's the part that when it gets dry, it becomes frizzy. So put your hand in between your hair. Again, take some more mousse. And again, just keep doing this. My hair is naturally not curly, so for me to kind of get some sort of curly texture, this is what I have to do. And then flick your hair up. Feels really weird with my head down talking to you guys. But yeah, so now what I do is like I'm doing shampoo. As you can see, I use quite a lot of mousse. The mousse is £3. I bought this one from Tesco's. So all I'm doing is going around my whole entire head, and I'm just pulling my hair like this with my hands. So grab them up and go like that. Scrunch it like this. Grab, scrunch and go like that. And that's what gives it the curly texture. Scrunch. Before it gets dry, style your hair the way you want. So I kind of want this wet look like this. So this is the look. You've styled it the way you want. So I want mine to just go back like this. I don't want to have a side parting, but check and see what suits your face. And after you've decided which way you want it, leave it like that. Don't touch it no more to let it dry. And if you can, try to do this at least 20 minutes before you go out, because then you're going to see whether your hair has dried or not, and you'll see the parts that you've missed, and then this way you could keep doing it again. Whereas if you do it and then you just go out, then you might have some frizz or something. But I love this mousse. The first time that I've used this Pantene mousse, and it's actually really nice, and it feels quite nice as well. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this hair tutorial. Let me know down below what you think, and if there's anything else that you guys would like to see from me, then please comment down below and tell me, and I'll do a video for you. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for your love and support. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is @PersianHoney. I love you all so much. Mwah.